There are several exercises that help you burn calories, but have you heard of the one that helps you to burn the most calories? This is our subject for today's video. Stay tuned to learn how sprinting can help you to achieve your fitness goals faster. Hello dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving into a powerful exercise that can help you burn a huge number of calories. Sprinting. We'll cover everything you need to know, from understanding calories to enhancing your calorie burning efforts with supplements and natural remedies. What are calories? Calories are units of energy that measure the amount of energy food provides to the body. Essentially, they are the fuel that our bodies use to perform all activities, from basic functions like breathing and maintaining body temperature to more strenuous activities like running or lifting weights. What is the daily caloric intake? Your daily caloric intake is the number of calories you need to consume each day to maintain your current weight. This amount varies based on factors such as age, gender, weight, height, and physical activity level. To calculate your daily caloric intake, you can use the basal metabolic rate or BMR formula to determine how many calories your body needs at rest, and then multiply this number by an activity factor that corresponds to your lifestyle. If you are sedentary, this means you do little to no exercise. Multiply BMR by 1.2. If you are lightly active, light exercise, sports 1 to 3 days per week. Multiply BMR by 1.375. Moderately active, moderate exercise, sports 3 to 5 days per week. Multiply BMR by 1.55. If you are very active, hard exercise, sports 6 to 7 days a week. Multiply BMR by 1.725. Super active, very hard exercise, physical job. BMR by 1.9. You can calculate your basal metabolic rate by using the BMR formulas. There is one for each, women and men. Both use parameters like age, weight and height. If you want to know how to calculate the BMR, please like the video and leave a comment, so you let us know that you are interested in this kind of info. How do we burn calories? We burn calories through a combination of basal metabolic rate known as your BMR, physical activity, and the thermic effect of food known as TEF, which is the energy required to digest, absorb, and process nutrients from food. Physical activities, especially exercises like running, swimming, and strength training, significantly increase the number of calories burned. What are the exercises that burn the most calories? Exercises that burn the most calories include high-intensity activities such as running, particularly at high speeds or uphill. Swimming engages multiple muscle groups and elevates heart rate. Cycling, especially at a vigorous pace. Jumping rope, a high-intensity cardio workout. HIIT workouts, short bursts of intense activity followed by brief rest periods. So, what is the best exercise of them all? Among all the high-calorie burning exercises, sprinting stands out as the best. And here's why. High caloric burn. Sprinting burns a significant number of calories in a short period due to its high intensity. Afterburn effect. Also known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption or EPOC, sprinting continues to burn calories even after the workout is over as your body recovers. Muscle building. Sprinting engages major muscle groups, helping to build lean muscle mass which further boosts metabolism. Cardiovascular benefits. Improves heart health and increases lung capacity. Efficiency. You don't need a lot of time to see benefits. Short, intense sprints can be more effective than longer, moderate workouts. How to sprint for max energy burning. To maximize energy burning while sprinting, follow these simple tips. 1. Warm up properly. Spend 5–10 minutes warming up to prepare your muscles and reduce the risk of injury. 2. High intensity. Sprint at your maximum effort for short bursts, typically 20–30 seconds. 3. Recovery periods. Follow each sprint with a recovery period of 1–2 minutes of walking or light jogging. 4. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the number of sprints or the duration of sprint intervals as your fitness improves. 5. Proper form. Maintain good form to maximize efficiency and reduce injury risk. Keep your body upright, use your arms for momentum, and focus on powerful strides. 6. Consistency. Incorporate sprinting sessions into your weekly routine, aiming for 2 to 3 times per week. How to enhance calorie burning. If you want to enhance calorie burning for faster weight loss, consider these strategies. Strength training builds muscle, which increases resting metabolic rate. Increase protein intake, supports muscle repair and growth. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for optimal metabolic function. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can hinder metabolism and recovery. Active lifestyle. Incorporate more movement into your daily routine, such as taking stairs or walking during breaks. How can probiotics help with burning calories? Probiotics, beneficial bacteria in the gut, can aid in weight management and calorie burning by improving digestion, enhancing nutrient absorption and gut health, regulating appetite, influencing hormones that control hunger and fullness, reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to weight gain and metabolic issues. Boosting metabolism. Certain strains of probiotics can enhance metabolic rate and fat oxidation. What supplements and natural remedies help to burn calories? Several supplements and natural remedies can support calorie burning. Green tea extract contains catechins and caffeine, which can boost metabolism. Take 250 to 500 milligrams per day. Caffeine enhances energy expenditure and fat oxidation. Limit to 200 to 400 milligrams per day to avoid side effects. Protein powder helps increase muscle mass and metabolism. Use as directed, typically 20 to 30 grams per serving, can take more depending on your goals and food protein intake. Capsaicin, found in chili peppers, it can increase metabolic rate. Look for supplements with 2 to 5 milligrams of capsaicin capsules. Garcinia cambogia contains hydroxycitric acid, which may help with fat loss. Recommended dose is 500 to 1000 milligrams before meals. Conjugated linoleic acid can help reduce body fat. Typical dosage is 3 to 4 grams per day. Omega-3. It has been shown that omega-3 intake can help with weight loss, even more when mixed with a healthy food plan. You can take from 500 milligrams up to 3 grams per day. Just remember that, before starting any kind of supplementation, you need to consult with your healthcare professional. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, understanding the intricate relationship between exercise, diet, and caloric management is essential for anyone looking to optimize their health and fitness. Calories are the units of energy that measure the energy food provides to the body. They are crucial for all bodily functions, from maintaining basic physiological processes such as breathing and body temperature regulation to enabling more strenuous activities like exercise. Consuming the right amount of calories is vital for maintaining your body functioning accordingly, depending on individual health and fitness goals. Your daily caloric intake is the amount of calories you need to consume to maintain your current weight. This varies based on several factors, including age, gender, weight, height, and physical activity level. To calculate this, you can use the basal metabolic rate formula, which estimates the number of calories your body needs at rest. How do we burn calories? Calories are burned through a combination of basal metabolic rate, physical activity, and the thermic effect of food. BMR accounts for the energy expended to maintain basic bodily functions, while physical activity and TEF represent the energy used for movement, and the digestion, absorption, and processing of nutrients, respectively. Engaging in regular physical activities such as running, swimming, and strength training significantly increases the number of calories burned. What are the exercises that burn the most calories? High-intensity exercises burn the most calories. These include running. Especially at high speeds or uphill, running is a high-calorie burning exercise. Swimming engages multiple muscle groups and elevates heart rate. Cycling. Particularly vigorous cycling can burn substantial calories. Jumping rope. A high-intensity cardio workout that elevates heart rate quickly. HIIT workouts. High-intensity interval training involves short bursts of intense activity followed by brief rest periods, maximizing calorie burn. Our best exercise that burns the most calories is sprinting, and it stands out among high-calorie burning exercises for several reasons. High caloric burn. Due to its intensity, sprinting burns a significant number of calories in a short period. Afterburn effect. Sprinting induces excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, meaning the body continues to burn calories even after the workout. Muscle building. Sprinting engages major muscle groups, promoting lean muscle mass growth and further boosting metabolism. Cardiovascular benefits. Improves heart health and increases lung capacity. Efficiency. Short, intense sprints can be more effective than longer or moderate workouts. To maximize energy burning while sprinting, follow the next tips. Warm up properly. Spend 5 to 10 minutes warming up to prepare muscles and reduce injury risk. High intensity. Sprint at your maximum effort for short bursts, typically 20 to 30 seconds. Recovery periods. Follow each sprint with 1 to 2 minutes of walking or light jogging for recovery. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the number of sprints or the duration of sprint intervals as your fitness improves. Proper form. Maintain good form by keeping your body upright, using your arms for momentum, and focusing on powerful strides. Consistency. Incorporate sprinting sessions into your weekly routine, aiming for 2 to 3 times per week. To enhance calorie burning, consider the strategies we mentioned today. Strength training. Builds muscle, which increases resting metabolic rate. Increase protein intake. Supports muscle repair and growth. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for optimal metabolic function. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can hinder metabolism and recovery. Active lifestyle. Incorporate more movement into your daily routine, such as taking stairs or walking during breaks. Also, probiotics, the beneficial bacteria in the gut, can aid in weight management and calorie burning so keeping a healthy and varied microbiota is essential when trying to burn those calories. Plus, there are several supplements and natural remedies that can support calorie burning. Here are the ones we mentioned today. Green tea extract, caffeine, protein powder, capsaicin, Garcinia cambogia, conjugated linoleic acid, and omega-3. By understanding these fundamentals and applying the strategies discussed, you can optimize your calorie burning efforts and achieve your health and fitness goals more effectively. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.